Hey, what's up everybody? Joe Simpson. Sometimes, you know, having a small one is better than having a big one. Let me show you mine. Sicko. I'm talking about the Gerber multi-tool knife. It's called the Dime. It's really small. And let me explain why you as a fisherman probably would want to have something like this. This isn't the only company that makes one of these, but this is a pretty small one. Now I've tried and tried and tried over and over and over again to try to come up with a solution that I won't forget, that'll be attached with me, that'll go along when I go. I always leave my pliers, my scissors, or something behind and forget to bring it with me almost every time I go fishing. So this time, I think I've got it. This is the Gerber Dime. It's a multi-tool that can be on your keychain and with you at all times. This tool easily fits on your keychain. The cool thing about this is it folds up and it's super small. So when you open it up, of course you have your pliers, which is going to come in handy for removing that fish hook out of the fish mouth. And then you've got a couple other tools on here. One of my favorite tools is the always exposed bottle cap popper right there. You can use that to open a beer or open a Coke or whatever it is you're into. The other thing it has, if you look real close, is you've got this thing here and it's called a box opener. That's for like opening a plastic package wrapped box that's hard to pull open. You can just take this and kind of gouge it out. Okay, here's a knife. Cool thing about this knife is when you extend it, you'll notice that it is flush with the belly of this device. So you can do like a flush cut, you know, with the knife. It's kind of neat. On the other side, we have, of course, the flathead for the screwdriver, which is probably going to come in handy when you're trying to tighten down like a camera to the tripod or something like that. You also have this little pointed, I guess maybe that's a Phillips head, has a little file on it too, right there. But really, what I'm all about is just these two things right here. I want scissors to cut my fishing line, and I want pliers to pull those fish hooks. So this is a really cool, compact, keychainable multi-tool made by Gerber, and I think I got it for 18 bucks on Amazon. The money I've been getting lately from Amazon and YouTube, I've decided to use that money to buy products and review those for you. That way I could come across different things, lures, knives, tools, anything that you guys might find pertinent and that you might want to use in your fishing arsenal, and review those things for you and help you make buying decisions as you move forward. The thing I like about the Gerber Dime versus any of the other multi-tools is that it was only $18 and it can fit on my keychain. That right there makes sure that I'm not going to lose it, and it's affordable, and even if I do lose it, I'm not going to be that upset. It's not very heavy, it feels natural in the hand. I think it's going to be perfect. So I'm going to start using this as my keychain, and when I go fishing I'll have a key in my pocket and a knife and a pair of pliers. And that's all I'm really looking for. Anyway, the Gerber Dime on Amazon, linked below. Check it out, 18 bucks. You might want to get one. And if you're buying a Christmas gift for somebody who likes to fish, this is a perfect one because it's probably something they won't buy for themselves. They're probably going to buy a fishing reel, a fishing rod, or lures. They don't really think to buy the things that they really need, which are pliers and scissors and the functional tools that aren't as fun to purchase. So keep that in mind. Christmas is around the corner. It's a sub $20 gift. It might be something you want to pick up for somebody. Check it out, the Gerber Dime.